Hello, welcome. In this very short video, I'll be informing of the correct engine oil for the 2-litre Ford Focus from the year 2000 to 2002. Now, from what I can gather, originally it was specified that a 5W30 was the correct oil for this vehicle. But according to some sources, this then changed to a 5W20. As from what I can gather, the Ford Motor Company now recommends that 5W20 is used in most Ford vehicles, apart from some vehicles that they have exempted from this, of course. And the reason for the change is that the 5W20 is an improved formulation, and according to testing, this improves fuel consumption without any adverse effects to the engine. This is all according to a Ford Technical Service Bulletin published in 2002. And I've included links below in the description, so please do have a look. But you don't have to take my word for this. Please do go out and do some research of your own and be sure that you're putting the correct oil into your engine. And if you're in any doubt whatsoever as to whether an oil is right for your engine, then please do not introduce it until you're totally satisfied. And as I've said, this was a very quick video with some quick information here. But if you do know any more about the engine oil of this particular vehicle, then please do comment in the section below. Thank you for watching.